Okay, so here we're going to do a quick simulation of creating a streak plate. So we are going to start by grabbing our inoculating loop, and we are going to use the Bunsen burner to flame it, and this basically just sterilizes the end of the loop to make sure that there are no contaminants. We now have our bacterial sample, and we are going to swipe from a single colony. We're going to go over onto our streak plate, and as you can see, there are 4 different quadrants, so each series of swipes will be in a different quadrant. Now we are going to sterilize again with the Bunsen burner. So we're going to flame the end of the inoculating loop. We're going to do this between each set of swipes, although this time we are not getting any more sample from this petri dish. We're going to go straight over here, and we are going to make sure that when we complete the second quadrant over here, we are going to be sure to swipe some from the first quadrant when we're doing it. So we will go just like that. And then we will flame the loop again. We will swipe again this way. I apologize, this is a little bit picky. It's kind of hard to streak on the computer. Okay, and then we are going to sterilize one more time, flame the loop, make sure we got everything off, and then we are going to go to this final quadrant. All right, now we're all done, and we are placing it in the incubator for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. So we're doing the quick countdown, and then you can see here the final rendition, I guess, of my streak plate. So you can see the first 2 are kind of tough to tell, but you can kind of see, especially between the second and third and the third and fourth, how the colonies are becoming a little bit more separated because they're more diluted as you're streaking them through. You know, a little bit less each time. So you can see that it's a little bit, the different colonies you can kind of tell are a little bit more separated and isolated here, but you can especially tell here, you know, you can see single colonies. You might even be able to count them on this one. It's pretty, you know, simple to tell and to be able to differentiate between different colonies. And that is our streak plate.